Today we're going to be installing this cool new steering wheel from AZA Auto Wheel from Poland in Europe. Here's a few things you're going to need if you change your steering wheel on your Ram. There's like 3 clips behind the steering wheel. Once you take off all the plastic and you tilt the wheel, you're going to be able to see those clips. You might want to use a mirror behind the steering wheel so that you see when you're grabbing them and pulling them back as you pull on the airbag forward towards you. And you have these little ones and the long ones. This is a T20. This is for the 2 screws that are under the steering wheel plastic. And then I have the screw for this area here because you're gonna put your old buttons in here. So let's get to it. All right guys, so first we're gonna want to disconnect your battery. Because we don't want the airbag to go off. Don't mind my dirty engine bay. It was sitting for a long time. So I put in this cool bar light that's gonna allow me to see up here. Last time I changed the gear shift lever, I didn't show you guys how to take this plastic off from the bottom. So here you have 1 screw, here you have another screw. You're gonna unscrew both, and then with one of the little picks, you're gonna pull this down. Easier to work on stuff. All right. I don't think I ever put this screw back, so I don't have to do that part. I didn't show you guys this part last time, so I think it's pretty cool. Now you're gonna see how it all comes off from the bottom. It's loose now. Almost. Here's a piece. Here's the 1 screw. I didn't put the other one back, so we're gonna have to find it and put it back on. There's some little tricky parts here. There you go. This little part right here is tricky because this part goes in there. Whew. All right guys, so that is the back of the steering wheel. Let's move on to the next part. All right, one side is popped off. Yay! This is so hard. I hate this part. Oh, because once you find the little, you see how it lifts right there? Once you find that, you're good. And that one's off. And there's one last one on the bottom of the steering wheel. I know. Like I said, I've changed the steering wheel quite a few times because I got some custom wrapped in leather by OC Auto Style. And then I had AG Auto Works paint some parts on it, so All right, guys, now we have the airbag popped off. You're gonna unplug the airbag. It has two little clips on there. One's black, one's yellow, not that hard. You're gonna pinch the little sides and then pull off. And then it has a clip up here. And here it is. So for the steering wheel screw that's in here, you're gonna need a 13 millimeter. I think I'm using the wrong. This is not it. Sorry, y'all. Needs to be, oops, it's gotta be a little longer. So you need about this long. Here is the screw. You want to put your feet all the way to the floor of the vehicle. And there are steering wheel pullers, but you can also pull out by wiggling side to side all the way till it comes out. And then you get to transferring all this stuff to your new steering wheel. Let's go do it. Make sure it's centered. I'm gonna put this back. Remember, righty tighty. I'm gonna do it with the hand. We're going to put the airbag back. It's color coded, so it's not brain surgery. It's going to have to be facing towards you, like this. See? Yellow and the black. And then this clip goes up here. So I like to plug these in first. And then you clip it. We're done, guys. Now we gotta put all the stuff back. Alright guys, there's the steering wheel. We want to thank all our tools that helped us, and also thank you AZA Auto Wheel in Poland for sending us this cool steering wheel for Lone Star. Guys, check them out on Instagram. They're at AZA Auto Wheel.